Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure your account is active and international roaming is enabled. Contact carrier support if unsure. Once done, verify the phone is unlocked and that the MA is registered for international use because carriers block unregistered devices. Next, update your phone OS and carrier settings to the latest version and toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds to force a fresh network scan. This jumpstarts the connection process and reveals immediate errors to fix. Once the basics are done, you dive into network settings to resolve lingering issues. Manually select a compatible local network if automatic fails, because this forces a handshake that often fixes roaming registration. Next, check the SIM or eSIM profile, remove and reset the physical SIM, or re-download the eSIM profile if provisioning failed, since corrupted profiles block service. Then edit APN settings to the exact values the carrier gives you, and make sure no battery or data saver app is preventing background network access. You finish by validating every service. Place a call, send an SMS and MMS, and run a simple data speed test to confirm full roaming functionality. Once validated, note signal type and roaming indicator. These confirm correct network class. If problems persist, reboot the phone with only the roaming SIM installed and retry manual network selection. Record any error codes you see. A key troubleshooting tip: when escalating to carrier support, provide MA, account number, current GPS location, timestamps, and screenshots of error messages to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.